All right, today we're going to continue looking at expressions. We're going to talk about subtraction specifically today. So yesterday we talked about addition, right? When we did addition with expression, we were just combining like terms, correct? So today we're going to do the exact same thing. The only difference is, remember when we talked about subtraction of integers, what did we always change it from subtraction to? Yeah, so we're going to do the exact same thing today. All right, so the first problem we're going to look at is negative 4x plus 2, and we're going to subtract negative 2x plus 1. Now, where is the part that I'm changing to addition?
Negative. I mean, the middle.
Yeah, the subtraction in the middle, okay? So, here's what you have to remember. The first part before the subtraction sign, you will never change anything about, okay? So you're just going to copy that down. Negative 4x plus 2. Nothing changes about the first part. It stays exactly the same, okay? We're going to change from subtraction to what? Addition. And then what are you going to change about everything that comes after that?
The negatives will be positive.
And the positives will be?
Negative.
Yes. So you change the sign. So instead of negative 2x, that's going to be positive 2x. Instead of positive 1, that will be negative 1. Okay? Then can you do this exactly like how we did it yesterday? Yes. What's negative 4x plus 2x?
Negative 2x. Or 2x. Negative 12. No.
Don't guess. It's a negative 4 and a positive 2. Say it again, Cash.
Negative 2.
Yes. Negative 4 plus 2 would give you negative 2x. What about positive 2 plus negative 1? Positive 1. Good. Okay, so we're changing to addition. Everything after that sign, you just change the sign. Will you ever change anything about the first set of parentheses? Ethan. Will you ever change anything on that first set of parentheses?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Somebody want to try this one?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it, Cash.
You keep the first part the same.
Okay.
Then you put that to a plus.
Put what to a plus?
The negative in the middle.
The subtraction.
The subtraction
Okay.
in the middle.
All right.
And then you do negative x.
You're right.
Minus 1,
Yeah, minus 1. So we change x to a negative. We change 1 to a negative. You change the sign of everything after it. Okay. Then you can add them together. Go ahead and do that, Cash.
It'll be negative 1, or no, it'll be 1 plus
Just 1?
6.
1 what?
Negative 1. Or
No.
not x. 1x.
There we go. 1x or just x. Okay.
Plus 6.
And then 7 plus negative 1 would be positive 6. Okay. I'm not going to count off if you put 1x. You just, like we always talk about, you really don't need it. Okay. All right. Somebody.
Okay, I need that.
Okay.
Is this all we're doing?
Yeah, basically. Who wants to try the next one?
It's
I'll
cold.
in here.
Ethan, I'll let you, and then I'll give you the last one, Trevor. Huh?
It's cold.
Well, you know it's winter and you're wearing shorts, right?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would be cold.
Well, that'd probably be Well, you didn't? It's been cold all week in here except yesterday.
It felt good yesterday.
Oh.
They wrote the recording.
All right, E.
No, it was steam.
Okay, E, go for it.
Oh, so, the like terms, negative 5, right?
Not yet. When it's subtraction.
Oh, yeah, we changed it to addition, so we dropped,
Okay, start at the beginning. What do you do with this first set of parentheses?
we dropped the whole thing down,
Okay, so keep it the same. Good. Then what?
and then you make it addition,
Okay. And what do you do to everything after it?
you switch it, so, plus, positive x and positive 4.
Good. Okay, now you can combine like terms. So negative 4x plus 1x.
Negative 5,
If it was negative x, yes.
Negative 2x.
They're different signs.
Negative 3x.
Yes. Different signs, you have to subtract them. Same signs, you add them. Okay, and then what about 3 plus 4?
7.
Good. Listen, that's the part where we're making the most mistake. Most of us are good on that first step. We're just getting confused still on what our integer rules are. If you're adding two numbers with the same signs, you just add them and keep the sign. If they have different signs, you subtract the two numbers, keep the sign of the number further from 0. Okay? All right, Charlie, last one.
You drop it in,
Okay, keep the first set.
and you make that plus, yeah, and then make it negative 2x,
Okay.
and minus
Minus -3?
negative 3.
Just a -3, right? Or just -3. You just change the addition to subtraction. You don't want to put minus and negative because minus and negative would still be addition, right? Okay, then what?
You add the x plus 2x, negative 2x,
Okay, what's 1x plus -2x?
3,
They're different signs. What do you do?
check,
Okay, so what's 2 minus 1?
1,
Which sign do you take?
negative,
Yes, so -x, and then 5 plus -3,
2,
positive or negative? Good. Okay,
Is there one?
I'm sorry?
Is there one at the end of the box or no?
no,
A 1?
That's the box.
I'm not sure what you're asking.
He asked if the
left
left of the line was a 1. I
Yeah.
said, no, that's the end of the box.
Child. All right, here you go.
So we're not gonna learn how to change addition to subtraction?
You don't ever need to do that.
Five questions.
whoa, it's